welcome to our Hive Virtual Edition. My name is Lori. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to grill corn on the cob using a recipe for Mexican street corn. This corn on the cob makes a great addition to any summer barbecue. Start by husking 5 cobs of corn. Measure out 3 tablespoons of low-fat sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon or lime juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and an 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of chili pepper, 1 tablespoon milk, 3 tablespoons cilantro or parsley, and 5 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Combine all ingredients together in a small bowl. You may choose to combine your Parmesan cheese, or you may choose to save it and sprinkle on top at the end. In addition, you can use your cheese of choice, whether it be Parmesan, mozzarella, feta. Really, you can put your own twist on this recipe. With our sauce prepared, the corn is now ready for the barbecue. Place your corn on a medium temperature clean grill. Close the lid for 2 or 3 minutes. Rotate the corn every 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring that the corn is getting charred on all sides to a level of your liking. Once the corn is done to your liking, remove from the grill and plate the corn, preparing to serve immediately. Using a brush or a spoon, brush on the topping that we've already prepared. You can also add a drizzle of sriracha sauce for additional color and enhanced flavor.